How to pay with Venmo on Temu. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can easily make payments using Venmo on Temu. First of all, launch your Temu application and then tap on this cart tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Here you will be able to see all of the products that you want to purchase from Temu. After adding them into the cart, simply tap on the checkout button. Then you need to provide your phone number and your address details if you haven't already added them into Temu. So you need to provide them and then you will be landed on the checkout page. Now on the checkout page, you just have to scroll down and then you just have to try to find Venmo in this list. As you can see that currently I'm not able to find Venmo in my account because it may vary from country to country. So if Venmo supports your country, you simply need to select Venmo and then you need to tap on the submit order button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to make payments with your Venmo account and you are good to go. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.